Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. So, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you were just a hamster running on a wheel with some of these prop trading firms? Endless rules, complex steps, constant pressure to meet unrealistic deadlines. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. But today I've got something different for you. Something that might just flip the script on all those frustrating experiences. We're going to explore Ment Funding, a prop firm that's shaking things up with a truly fresh approach. No more jumping through hoops or dealing with hidden catches. Imagine a one-step evaluation, no time limits, and complete freedom to trade how you want. It's like a breath of fresh air in a space that's often filled with so much red tape. Stick around, because if you're looking to break free from the old way of doing things and take your trading career to the next level, I might have the opportunity you've been waiting for. So, why is Ment Funding getting so much buzz? Let's start with a bit of background. Ment Funding is a prop firm that was founded in October 2020, but it didn't start as a prop firm. It actually began as an educational platform called MenTFX, which aimed to bridge the gap in trading education for aspiring traders. The founders realized that education was only half the battle. The other part was that there are many talented traders that are struggling to find enough capital to trade with. So, they launched Ment Funding, with the goal of offering a better, more equitable solution for traders worldwide. Ment Funding's journey is all about fairness and simplicity. Unlike traditional funding models that involve multiple evaluation phases, Ment Funding offers a one-step evaluation process. Pass this and you're funded. And here's the kicker. There are no hidden rules or complex steps. This is the opposite of most prop firms that seem to have rules in the fine print that were created so you can fail, and they can keep your evaluation fees. Not with Ment Funding. You trade what you want, how you want, and when you want. It's all about respecting the trader's skills and giving them the freedom to succeed. There's no minimum or maximum day requirement, no restrictions on trading styles, and even better, no time limits. This is a big deal, especially for those of us who don't want to feel rushed or pressured to meet a deadline. Their model is built around transparency and flexibility. Whether you're into scalping, swing trading, or using expert advisors, Ment Funding allows you to create your trading journey the way you see fit. Plus, with funding of up to $5 million per account, they're offering a substantial opportunity for traders to truly scale up. Now, let's talk about the community's reaction to Ment Funding. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, as evidenced by its stellar 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot. When I dug into the reviews, I found consistent praise for their fairness, customer support, and, most importantly, their straightforward approach. For example, check out what this trader had to say. He praises their professionalism, no time limits, and one-phase challenge. He is so impressed, in fact, he says he will never go with another prop firm. That it is high praise. Another trader says they are the best prop funding firm out there. I poured through many reviews, and let me tell you, these glowing reviews seem to be the norm. The firm's commitment to a fair and supportive environment has clearly struck a chord with many. I've seen numerous reviews from traders who appreciate the lack of hidden rules and the fact that Ment Funding is genuinely invested in their success. It's rare to find a prop firm with such a high level of customer satisfaction, and it's easy to see why traders are flocking to them. All right, let's dive into the features that make Ment Funding a standout choice in the prop trading world. First off, let's talk about their raw spreads. I'm sure many of you, like me, have been burned by high spreads that eat into your profits. Well, Ment Funding offers spreads that start as low as zero point 0.1 pips on major forex pairs, thanks to their partnerships with a network of leading brokers. This means you get to execute your trades without any hidden fees or inflated costs, no matter what time frame you're trading on. It's like having a turbocharged trading engine, clean, efficient, and ready to take on any market condition. And speaking of support, Ment Funding goes above and beyond with dedicated 24/7 support. I know that when I'm deep in a trading session at 2 a.m., I don't want to wait until morning to get answers. Ment Funding's team is always there. Whether you have a burning question or need some technical assistance, you can reach out to them directly on Discord, where they're incredibly responsive. Plus, you've got the CEO, who's actively involved in the community. It's not every day you see a CEO who's this accessible, jumping into discussions, sharing insights, and genuinely helping traders succeed. That's the kind of support that builds trust and makes you feel like you're not just a number, but part of a community. Now, let's break down the pricing. Ment Funding offers a range of account sizes to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up big time, they've got options for you. Accounts start as small as $25,000 for a one-time fee of $250. all the way up to a one-time fee of $7,500 for $1 million balance. The largest account you can start with is 1 million, but you can scale that all the way up to 5 million with their scaling plan. What I love about this is the flexibility. You can start small and scale up as you grow. And the best part, you keep 75% of your profits. And if you want to keep even more, there's an option to upgrade and retain up to 90%. They don't lock you into any minimum or maximum trading days either, so you're in control of your timeline. Whether you want to get funded in a day or take your time, it's entirely up to you. Let's not forget their upgrade options. Ment Funding allows you to tailor your trading experience to your style. Want to hold positions over the weekend? That's a 10% price increase. Need double leverage? You can grab that with a 25% increase. Don't want to worry about stop losses? That's an extra 10%. You can mix and match these upgrades to build a setup that works best for you. It's all about giving you the freedom to trade how you want, when you want. So, where does that leave us with Ment Funding? Well, in my opinion, they're a breath of fresh air in the prop trading space. With their transparent one-step evaluation process, fair rules, and the freedom to trade without limits, they're setting new standards. The raw spreads and 24/7 support are just icing on the cake. If you're tired of the usual restrictive prop firms and want a chance to prove yourself in a fair and supportive environment, Ment Funding is definitely worth considering. And hey, if you're serious about taking your trading career to the next level, why not check them out? You could have up to $5 million in funded accounts to trade with, and you'll be supported every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description to navigate to Ment Funding's website and start your journey today. Trust me, this is one opportunity you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching my video all about Ment Funding, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the best trading platforms and tools. Until next time, happy trading.